This is exactly how to create your YouTube channel step by step. So if you're a beginner and you are wondering how you can start up your YouTube journey, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you the right step and the right key YouTube setting to grow your YouTube channel, even from day one of setting up the channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin. Here on this channel, I share tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave us a comment on the comment section. Lastly, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be notified. So if you love what we are doing on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the other side of the screen and show you how you can easily create your YouTube channel from day one. Welcome back to this side of the screen. So for us to create a YouTube channel, we need to first of all create a YouTube account. To create a YouTube account, all you need is your a Google account, your Google email account. So if you already have a Google email, go to your YouTube app or the web version of YouTube, type on youtube.com, then you open it. All you need to do is to log in your Google email to your YouTube. So once you log in your Google email to your YouTube, you have automatically created a YouTube. But after creating a YouTube, what we need for us to be able to upload our content to YouTube for people to see, for us to have like our workshop on YouTube, you need to create a YouTube channel. So this is my a Google email and a Google account or my YouTube account. So if I click on this, you will see where they write create a channel. So to create a channel, I will only need to click on this create a channel. It will open up for me to create my YouTube channel. First of all, here in this interface, I will just select a picture. This account is for example or for this tutorial sake. So you click on this place, select picture. It will open illustration, a picture created by Google for us. If you don't have any picture on your phone or on your computer, you can easily use any of this picture to as your profile picture. So but if you want your personal picture, you come to this device, click on this device, then click on browse photo, then click on photo library. It will take you to your phone photo library. You will be able to select any picture you want to use. Let me see, for instance, I want to use this particular picture. If I click on this picture, then I click on done, it will load. Yeah, it's uploading. You can see, you can reshape it the way you want. Then after that, you can rotate it as well and click on done. So after clicking on done, you wait for it to load. So as you can see, my profile picture is ready. So the next thing to do is to create a channel name. So if I do not like this, Kevin, I can easily write it or set it to any name that I want to use, but I'm okay with this. Then this is the handle. You make sure that your handle, if you are using any handle, you can easily customize any handle that you want to use. You can change it to let me say, for instance, let me change this handle now. Let me change this particular handle. Let me change this because this one is selected. Make sure that nobody is using it. If I put Kevinco, let me see. You can see I put Kevinco. You can see that this handle is not available to use. So what I need to do here, let me change it to KO. Let me see if this one will be available. You can see it is not available. So if you are customizing an handle, you make sure that you select the one that nobody is using, because that is your profile handle. So let me use Kevin, then and put any other random number to the front and see if this one is available for me. Let me see. Not available also. So let me just put anyone and see the one that will be available. Okay, it's not allowed. Let me see. Not available. So okay, let me do it like this. Let me see if this one will be available. Wow, beautiful. You can see this one is available. You make sure you select the one that is accepted by Google. So the next thing you need to do, Google or YouTube, they are almost the same. So the one that is accepted by YouTube. So the next thing you need to do is to come here and click on create channel and wait for it to what? Confirm that your channel is available. As you can see, it's creating my YouTube channel. You can see your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So I've already created a YouTube channel. You can see my profile here. If I click on it, yes, you can see that I have a new YouTube channel now. So this is the only way I will be able to post on YouTube, by creating my YouTube channel. So this is the best way to create your YouTube channel. So step 1 is done. We are going to the step 2 is to what? Go to our what? You come to this view channel. If you click on this view channel, you can see that there is no video here. You understand? We can start what? Uploading a YouTube video here. So let's move to the step 2, because we have done with step 1. So now that we have created our YouTube channel, the next thing we need to do is to customize our YouTube channel and optimize it for what? For it to be able to what? Grow properly, or for it to be able to what? Attract audience, look attractive to the audience we are trying to build. So the next thing to do is to just come to this customize your channel. Customize your channel, just click on it. It will take you to what? Your YouTube studio. That is exactly where you click on continue. You will be able to customize your YouTube channel. So the next thing we need to do, this is what? Customizing. You can see this profile, you can see banner. If you have a banner, I will show you what banner look like. So this is a YouTube banner, and YouTube has already given us the measurement that is required before we'll be able to, or before we can upload a banner to our YouTube channel. You can see it should be 2048 by 1152 pixel, and it must be 6 megabytes or less. So let me show you what our banner look like. I'm still working on it. Let me see. If you click on your upload, then you come here, you hit on the library, then you come to what? This is what a banner, but I'm still working on this. I'm still resizing it because I'm still working on it. I just wanted to show you how it look like. So this is what you will upload on your what? Banner. This is what our banner look like. So let me go back and continue. So the next thing you can do, you have option to change your profile. If you don't like this profile, you can easily change it from here and pick any other profile that you like. So the next thing to do is your name. You can see that this name that you selected when creating your YouTube channel, you can as well change it, and you have option of changing your name twice in 14 days. And the handle also, you have the same option. You can see choose your unique handle by adding a letter and numbers. So you have option of changing it 2 times in 14 days. So if you don't like this, you can easily change it. The next thing setup that we'll be looking at is description. So this description is what your channel is all about. So you describe to YouTube what the kind of content you want to create. So you put everything down here. If you cannot get it, or you cannot do it yourself, you can use AI or ChatGPT to write it. Like this channel, let me say this YouTube channel is all about YouTube grow. So if I'm writing a description to this channel, I will write this channel is all about what? YouTube growth. Then add YouTube monetization, anything that pertaining that concern YouTube tutorial. So that is what you will put this place. And you come to this second one, you can add language. This is language. If you want to add any language to this channel, let me click on it. You can see the original language. You select our original language. For me here, that is in Africa, West Africa, is what? Is English. So I will pick English. So if any language that you want to translate it to, you can come here and select how many language that you want to translate it to. So it depends on you. So the next one we are going to be setting is what? This is our channel URL. If you want to share your channel URL to anybody, you can easily copy it from here and share. This is where you can add what? Links. You can add your YouTube link. You can add any external link. If you click on here, you type like this place, I want to add my, let me say TikTok. Let me say my TikTok. If I want, I'll click OK. Then I will come here and go to TikTok, copy the URL link and paste it here. Once I paste it here, it will appear and it will be showing on my YouTube profile. So whoever that want to visit my TikTok can easily click on it and go to my TikTok direct from here. So this place is to add a contact email. You have an email address you use in creating this. Add any other email that that is valued, that they can easily contact you on there in case of you might have a business deal from it. So the last one is video watermark or your logo. I think I've created a video. I'll put the link here where you can easily click on it and watch how to create your YouTube logo or YouTube watermark. It's already here. YouTube has given us the dimension that we are going to use. Image that it is 150 by 150 pixel is recommended by YouTube, and it should be on PNG or GIF or BNMP or JPEG file that is 1 meg or less. So you must make sure that it's either 1 meg or less than 1 meg. Then you can come here and upload it here. I will show you what YouTube video watermark look like. If I click on this upload, you can easily go to let me go to my gallery and show you. I think I've created it already. I'll show you. This is it. This is what YouTube watermark look like. So it's a subscribe button that will always appear. Let me cancel it. That will always appear on your video whenever an audience or viewer is watching your video. If on the web version or desktop version, once they click on it, it will automatically take them to your YouTube profile to subscribe. But on a mobile app, it will only be there, but it will not it is not clickable. So these are basically how you can customize your YouTube channel, a new YouTube channel that will grow the YouTube channel and give you the kind of audience and subscriber that you require. So the step 3 that we are going to be talking about, let me take you. So we have done with the step 2. The step 3 is to come to this setting, click on this setting. Then after that, you click on the general, then leave it at USSD. You come to this China setting, click on your China setting. On the basic info, you come to this country of residence. It is preferable you select the country you are. Like for me, I am in Nigeria, so I will select Nigeria. So after that, you come to this place, let me zoom it so that you'll be able to see. You come to this keyword. So this keyword, you click on it and you add a keyword, basic keyword to your channel. So what are the keyword to this YouTube channel? Let me say so what you need to do is to add for example, this channel is all about how to YouTube channel grow and how to make money online. Let me write here, for example, look at this place. I'll write YouTube. Let me write YouTube growth. Let me write YouTube growth. Then I give a space, or I can easily put comma there. So once you put comma, it will change it to a tag. You can see it has already changed to tag. So the tag of this channel is YouTube growth. On how I can easily add another one again, making money online. Making money. Let me say making money online. You understand? So once I put comma, it will automatically change to a tag. You can see, if you look at here, it's already changed to a tag. So let me say for instance I'm done with this. So the next thing I'm going to do is save it. After saving it, I will come to advanced setting. This advanced setting is basically if your channel is made for kids. So this channel is not made for kids. So I will click no, it is not made for kid. Then you scroll up and you will be seeing more option. Disable interest-based ads. So that one is no more major concern. Third party, allow third party company to use something like that. Just scroll up, scroll down. As you can see, we've set the basic one here. So the next thing to do is to click on this save and save it. So afterwards, saving all this change, The next thing you need to do is to come to this place and publish it. So let me wait for this to finish saving. So after you might have finished selecting all this thing, writing your description and the rest, after you are finishing following all this step and finish setting up your YouTube channel and finish customizing it, you will come to this place and hit on publish. So once you hit on this publish, it will automatically save everything that you have set under this YouTube channel. So these are basically how you can set up your YouTube channel after creating it. And I believe this video has been helpful. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.